Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video. Question number 27. What is the shape of regular flat in a bull market? The answer is point B equal the start of A and point C equal A. It is important to notice that B didn't exceed the start of A and C didn't exceed A. Code number 21. Peter Barr said, "We want to perceive ourselves as winners, but successful traders are always focusing on their losses." This means that successful traders think more about protecting what they already have. That's always more important than making more money. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.